Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to deal with the Steam game recording M4s files. So if you've gone to the folder where you keep them and you're trying to use them to make a YouTube video or something, you're going to realize that no program essentially accepts them. So I'm going to show you how to convert them into an MP4 format file that you can use for anything you want. So I've got the game recording window open here, and if you go to the location where you keep the files, you will see that there is a nice big list of M4s files. So to deal with these files, Steam actually has an inbuilt process and it's really easy to use. So once you've got your files or your game recorded, you can go over to Steam, go to View, and then go to the option here that's called Recording and Screenshots. This will open up a new little option, which is where you can process all of those M4s files into clips that you can use for anything you like. So I've just got this random clip here from Horizon Zero Dawn or Horizon Forbidden West. It'll bring up the editor. Now using this editor, you can clip, create, share, and save anything you want. So go to share, and when you click share, it'll bring up a list of options here. So the way to get it to convert into an MP4 format is to just click export video. You'll see a little menu like this, so you can choose where you're going to save the MP4 file to. You also have some file size controls, so generally it'll max, or not max out, but generally it'll set to 100 meg. You can crank this as high as you want. The higher the better for quality, obviously. Otherwise, you can go to custom and go through and adjust every single thing you want. Now, just pay attention to the codecs here because H.264 is more supported than H.265. Some of the editors don't generally like H.265, so if you're having problems with that, just stick with H.264. The rest of the stuff is entirely up to you, the same with resolution, etc. Then finally, just click export video and it will process a clip for you and place it in the folder that was selected just above. So as I export it to my clip folder, here's what it looks like. You can see quality's top notch, MP4 format, works perfectly. That's all there is to it. Anyway, if you found that guide useful, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers, everyone.